In this vivid scenario, you find yourself standing before a closed door, a symbolic gateway representing the unexplored realms of the mind associated with the third eye or the pineal gland. Despite the door being locked, a profound realization dawns upon you. The key to unlock it lies within yourself. The quest to open this door becomes a metaphorical journey towards activating the pineal gland, akin to the esoteric knowledge imparted in the 33rd degree of Freemasonry. As you embark on this transformative journey, you receive instructions that unveil the significance of meditation, yoga, and exposure to sunlight. These practices become the keys to unlocking the dormant potential within your pineal gland, promising a heightened state of awareness and a gateway to the mysteries concealed beyond the closed door. Each step in this quest represents a deliberate effort to explore the depths of your own consciousness, gradually revealing the secrets that lie on the other side of the metaphorical door. As you delve deeper into the teachings of the 33rd degree, you discover the profound significance of DMT, often referred to as the sacred fluid, and its integral role in activating the pineal gland. The instructions provided guide you through techniques aimed at harnessing the potential of this mysterious substance. In your quest for enlightenment, you embark on the practice of these techniques, diligently working towards the activation of your pineal gland. This transformative journey becomes a personal exploration of the connections between ancient concealed teachings and their relevance in the contemporary world. Recognizing the difficulty in accessing these esoteric teachings, the goal is to simplify these profound ideas. Through a video presentation, the intention is to provide clarity and practical applications, enabling you to integrate these teachings into your own life. The video becomes a valuable resource, bridging the gap between hidden wisdom and its practical implementation, offering you a pathway to unlock the mysteries of the mind and the pineal gland. Shifting focus to the omnipresence of numbers in our lives, the narrative underscores their significance. From birthdays to house numbers and clock hours, it introduces numerology as an ancient discipline, founded on the belief that each number carries a unique vibration influencing personality, relationships, and life overall. Certain numbers, referred to as master numbers, are considered carriers of great spiritual force, representing fundamental concepts like creation, evolution, and enlightenment. The number 33 emerges as one of these master numbers, often associated with spirituality, enlightenment, and power. Expanding on its significance, the narrative explores its connections to completeness, unity, and its representation in various cultural and symbolic contexts. From Jesus Christ's age at death to sacred geometry and the Rosicrucian tradition, the number 33 is seen as a symbol of cosmic harmony and spiritual elevation. This master number is also linked to the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye, located in the center of the brain and associated with intuition, spirituality, and consciousness. The sacred fluid, produced by the pineal gland, including melatonin and DMT, is essential for spiritual elevation and inducing mystical experiences that elevate individuals to higher states of consciousness and leaves you at the threshold of a deeper understanding, inviting you to explore the connections between ancient wisdom, numerology, and the mystical aspects of the pineal gland. The promised video aims to simplify these profound teachings, offering a bridge between esoteric knowledge and practical application in your everyday life. DMT, or dimethyltryptamine, is highlighted as a substance produced in the human body, and also found in various plants such as chacona, used to prepare asa or vegetable tea. The book, DMT, The Spirit Molecule, by psychiatrist Rick Strassman, is referenced for its thorough analysis of DMT's effects on humans, involving over 400 volunteers who ingested DMT intravenously. The results were surprising, with volunteers reporting a wide range of experiences, including expanded consciousness, contact with spiritual entities, and profound insights into the nature of reality. The term sacred fluid is introduced as a way to refer to DMT, emphasizing its believed sacred nature that can connect individuals with the spiritual world. Strassman suggests that DMT may be released by the pineal gland, often associated with intuition and spirituality, also known as the third eye. Both scientific and spiritual perspectives consider the third eye as a center for transmitting and receiving information. Here, the connection between the sacred fluid, the pineal gland, and the number 33. According to ideas from mystery schools, the number 33 is linked to the full activation of the pineal gland and the expansion of spiritual consciousness. Activating the pineal gland is portrayed as a main means of promoting deeper spiritual experiences, leading to the production and release of the sacred fluid, ultimately resulting in elevation. The number 33 is deemed crucial in this process. Several ways to use the number 33 for spiritual elevation are suggested. One approach is to pay attention to when the number 33 appears in various forms in one's life, such as license plates, phone numbers, dates, or hours, interpreting it as a sign that one is on the right path in their spiritual journey. Another method involves meditation on the number 33 by repeating it mentally or writing it down. This practice is proposed to help individuals connect with their spirituality and open their minds to new possibilities, and suggests creating a mantra or ritual that incorporates the number 33. This involves finding a quiet place, sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and visualizing the symbol of the number 33 in your mind. Focus on this symbol while breathing deeply and relaxing your body. Imagine yourself surrounded by the number 33, feeling its energy fill you with light and love. Positive affirmations that include the number 33, such as statements about being connected to spirituality or open to new possibilities, can be repeated during this practice. Braiding can be used to connect with the number 33. It suggests taking a deep breath and counting to 33. Repeating this process several times. The ultimate goal of these practices is believed to be the release of the sacred fluid, DMT, described as a spiritual enlightenment experience. This release, triggered by the activation of the pineal gland, is thought to have purifying and transformative properties. The number 33 is of great importance in Freemasonry, especially within the context of the ancient and accepted Scottish Rite, or Rosicrucianism. The 33rd degree is portrayed as the pinnacle of the Masonic journey and is reserved for members who have shown exceptional service and a profound understanding of esoteric teachings. This degree involves a complete ritual conducted by the Supreme Council, symbolizing mastery and ultimate achievement in Freemasonry. The awarding of the 33rd degree is considered an acknowledgement of remarkable dedication and contribution to the Masonic tradition. The Freemasons believe that the pineal gland serves as a portal to the spiritual world. Activation of the pineal gland, which releases DMT, is thought to facilitate communication with the spiritual realm. The 33rd degree Mason receives instructions on how to activate the pineal gland, involving practices like meditation, yoga, and exposure to sunlight. This activation is a process requiring time and dedication, but is considered worthwhile as it can lead to enlightenment and union with the divine, and concludes with the metaphorical idea of finding the key, opening the door, and discovering a world of infinite possibilities, light, love, and wisdom, the ultimate goal of Freemasonry. If this wisdom made sense to you, write in the comments, "It makes sense to me." Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get all the latest teaching.